First of all, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido Pan, was released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, especially in mathematics and system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web application. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to read data and perform complex mathematics na ginagamit natin in BS Mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Example. I have here an example of how to use the print mode or print function sa Python. Yan. Hello world. Walang hindi. Yan. If you want na mag-print ng text, you can use a parenthesis then open and close quotation para ma-print mo yung text na design mo. You can also direct na siya, like hello world na lang yung ilalagay mo, like wala nang print, but it's different kasi may lumabas na single quotation with it, unlike dun sa una na wala, yung text lang mismo. Makikita mo rin yung difference nila if gagamitan mo siya ng print function and ng direct input na lang. Next, we're going to talk about the built-in math function. Ano nga ba yung built-in math function? Ito yung sa Python has a set of built-in function including an extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Ito yung tinatawag na math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical function. To use it, you must import the math module. As you can see example dito, import math module. For example, mag-i-input tayo na yung math built-in function, very helpful siya sa mga mathematics student kasi pinapabilis niya yung ang pagsasolve ng isang problem, unlike if magpuput ka pa ng mga formulas and stuff. Dito, i-import mo lang yung math, then automatically lalabas na siya. And for example, x, yung float, ginagamit siya para sa mga like similar siya with integers, but the difference is pwedeng yung decimal. Gagamitin mo yung float if gusto mo yung numbers na is may decimals or wala. Then the input function naman is if gusto mo may mag-ask before you're putting the value. For example, enter a value between -1 and 1 para ma-calculate mo yung arc sign. Then if function, of course, then result, dito sa result dash underscore radians equal siya sa math that arc sign. lumalabas yung mga functions ng import bat. Then print yung arc sign, then yung value ng gusto mong ma-solve. Kinopy ko na lang siya, then papalitan ko na lang yung radians in 2 degrees para mas mabilis. Then yung else, if ang in-input mo is wala sa gitna ng negative 1 and 1, ang lalabas dyan is error. Then here, try na natin siya. Then enter a value. Then naglagay ako ng 5. Nag-error siya. So, nalagay tayo. For example, negative 1. Then lalabas na siya. So, yung radians niya is negative 1.57 and 90. Kasi sobrang bilis lang ng math module if gagamitin mo siya and if gamay mo na siya.